The Indus civilization. Nowadays, it is well known. Mohenjo-daro in the southern Pakistan and Harappa in the northeast Pakistan were two of the great four advanced civilizations in the world. The founder of these historic sites were Dravidian. They were the ancestors of people living in Sri Lanka and India. These historic civilizations were annihilated by drought. The prime feature of civilization is that the war-related facilities, temples, even a palace, haven't found in the remain. This civilization is regarded to have been established around in 1500 BC, before the Aryan migrated. There was no war at that period. The reason there was no temple, there is supposed to have worshipped mountain or wind as gods. Therefore, they are supposed to have believed polytheism. We can understand the reason there is no palace is that the Republican government is supposed to have reigned the country at that time. The city-states had an advanced civilization as follows: burnt ceramic tiles, constructed a wall and road by tiles, as well as an irrigation canal from far place. Even had flush toilet. They had the civilization like that. After that, the Aryan migrated here. As the years passed, it is said that the Aryan were maybe affected by this civilization. The Buddha's birth country was one of the Aryan 16 countries in northern India. He was born in a rich natural environment and grew up in polytheism. Then he studied in the Republican government and became a person who looked for peace. After that, he became a monk asking the way of humanity, and then finally got enlightenment. Buddha didn't get enlightenment suddenly. As I said previously, Indian culture guided him to the enlightenment. Buddha said, there were 7 Buddhas before me. After that period, Buddhism could not remain as an independent religion in India. However, we could say the reason that Dharma lighting has kept long for 2,500 years in Sri Lanka is through the effort of the descendant who brought the Indus civilization. The Sri Lankan tradition as loving nature and impartiality, giving a mercy for each people are common to the culture of Japan, a faraway island country and oriental. Thank you.